So today's tale takes place in 1943. There was a chemist that worked in the lab and he asked his assistant to help escort him home, but they had to take bicycles because in 1943 travel in Switzerland was restricted because of World War II. On the cycle back to the chemist's house, he begins to feel worse. His symptoms begin to deteriorate. He's short of breath, he's unsteady. So the chemist arrives home and he has a look in the mirror and he sees that his pupils are completely dilated, and the dilation is actually causing a little bit of light sensitivity. So he goes to lie down. As the chemist is laying in bed with his eyes closed, he begins to panic, thinking that he's just caused his own poisoning with a chemical he took about an hour or so before this. But as the chemist lay there, his panic and his paranoia began to change and morphed into optimism, and he began to see bright, beautiful colours, shapes and pulsating lights. The chemist's name was Albert Hofmann, and he had just synthesised LSD, or in other words, acid, and had taken the world's first trip. That story is known as Bicycle Day, which is an informal annual event celebrated by the psychedelics community. The celebration is hosted on the 19th of April each year, but really if you see any hippies on bikes, you'll know exactly what they're up to. Hoffman himself viewed LSD positively, even citing psychiatric benefits of it. And I personally think that there probably isn't a greater time to discover psychiatric benefits than during world wars. But as usual, see the world your way.